what are y'all sliding? Yo.
Yo.
How you doing, beautiful?
What?
Huh? Wait, what's your ethnicity?
Guess.
Oh, you look Somali.
I look Somalian.
You look Somali. Can't even lie.
You know what's crazy?
You look more Somali than me.
You know what's crazy?
What?
The Somalian guy stabbed 4 people at the shopping center we went today.
Somali guy stabbed 4 people?
4 people, and everyone's looking for this guy, and he's like fled to somewhere, and everyone's looking for him. Not gonna lie, he has the same hair as you. Everyone's looking I think it's you.
I hope we get away.
He just ran away, bro.
Huh?
He just ran away. We're in Australia.
Yeah. I hope he gets away. What's your ethnicity?
What do I look like?
Nigga, just say you look Somali.
No, I don't.
Don't piss me off. What's your ethnicity?
I'm half Portuguese, half Indian.
How old is you?
19.
19?
Yeah.
Have you ever been with a Somali guy?
No.
You wanna try one?
How old are you?
How old are me?
Yeah.
You said how old am I?
Yeah.
I'm 22.
22?
Yeah, I'm 22.
Well, my birthday's in a few days.
Your birthday in 3 days? I can.
Few days. My birthday's on June 4th.
Oh, a few days.
Yeah, I turned 20.
If we work something out, we can celebrate together on your birthday.
You know who you look like?
Who do I look like? Damn, you keep telling me who I look like. Like, can I just look like your
Yeah.
husband?
Sorry. You kind of look like AJ from Bay Squad.
That's my cousin.
Sure.
No, that's my cousin.
You have a nice smile. Smile.
Thank you. No, you got a pretty smile. But
So what time is it in wherever you are?
it's like 11 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But
It's like
you got
2 a.m.
you
here.
got IG?
I do.
I dropped your IG. And I'm gonna come hit you up.
My name's Grace, by the way.
Oh, your name? I thought I asked your name.
No.
No, because you
How
were telling me the
disrespectful.
history of a guy looked like me stabbing people and shit.
No, my name is Grace. What's your name?
Nice to meet you. My name's Zach.
What?
My name's Zach.
Zach. Nice.
Alright, Grace. I'm gonna hit you up, alright?
Sorry?
I said I'm gonna hit you up, okay, beautiful?
Okay,
All
cool.
right, take care.